All right, getting them through the gate. And over there, you can see we've got a few more people now. Genuine cow drives. Nothing staged about this. This is Fred Van Liew living his dream. All right, here we go. We're driving these little babies to the next pasture. We didn't get the branding in. Their chuck wagon never showed up. That's all right. We'll survive. But we're driving them up the hill, through the gate, into a promised land. Ho! Let's go! Ho! Notice some of these babies, they have horns. Come on! Ho! 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 No, we're nearing the end of the drive. This is the rear of the caravan of cows. But if you'll notice, you go way down, you'll see there are a lot more cows way up the road and way down the road. You see all that? That's what we've been doing. So you hear about dusty cow drives. Well, it's true. So here we are. Fred Van Liew. Just loving my dream. Living my dream. I'm not even sure I have enough room on my hard drive for all this, but folks, look at how beautiful this is. It goes on forever. This is the real deal. Okay.